Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing several bathroom home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. In this video, I'll be doing a new collaboration with Fanny from Creations by Favi. She does a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs, shop with me, trash treasure. So if you guys are into that, you should totally check her channel out and let her know that I send you and show her some love.
But if we stop running, that will be done. I wish you knew how much I wished it was different. There's a fire we should put out, but all I know is how to fall back into you.
So for the first DIY, I started off by painting the center of the jar with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Why you pull me closer to your chest, I see it in your eyes.
Next up, I went ahead and spelled out Q-tip, and for the dash, I ended up using an L and I just cut it.
This is the best it ever gets, I see it in your eyes, that we will get hurt again. That we will get hurt again. I say put us on hold, let us stop for a minute. I'm done with running. I've always known that if we stop running, that will be done. I wish you knew how much I wished it was different. There's a fire.
For the top, I ended up using this glass lid from this jar.
But all I know is how to fall back into you. Oh, I wanna see ya. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your lap. Why you pull me closer to your chest, I see it in your eyes. It's you are ready to be hurt again, like nothing ever crashed. This is the best it ever gets, I see it in your eyes, that we will get hurt again. That we will get hurt.
For the second DIY, I went ahead and spray painted the glass jar with some white spray paint, and this is actually the jar that I used the lid for the previous DIY. Next up, with a wire cutter, I went ahead and cut up the roses and the lamb ears.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah.
To stain the wood, I ended up using a cup of coffee and I let the wood soak for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
I'd work around it, but you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like.
Next up, once I made sure that the wood was completely dry, I went ahead and added the rub-on transfers.
I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane.
For the basket, I ended up using this hammered brown spray paint, and I just went ahead and hot glued the wood piece onto the center of the basket.
Rules to break. ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby.
For this next DIY, I started off by spray painting the burner cover with the hammered spray paint, and all of the jars I used a white high gloss spray paint.
You got what I need effortlessly. Let me know you want it. With you I can breathe, air goes so deep. Let me know, cause I can't lie. Let me know, cause I need you. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know.
For the last and final DIY, I went ahead and spray painted the bowl with the white spray paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I went ahead and also added a black chalk paint all over the edge of the bowl. Next up, I spelled out the word wash with the letter stickers.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day and God bless.
I got behind it.